Hey guys, welcome back to Postcards Texas. I'm Hannah and we're going to be talking about kanji and how to start learning kanji because that's what I've started learning this week. So yeah. Hey guys, so I've started learning kanji with this book. I'm mostly learning the beginning kanji. I already kind of knew 1 through 10, but when you're learning to write in Chinese characters, it's very important to know the stroke order because it makes it a lot easier to write. Because if you're just doing random whatevers, I don't know what that was, but it's going to be a lot harder to remember how to write it and actually have it ingrained in your brain, because certain parts of like the characters will be first always, and then the other parts will be the second part of the stroke order. So like say you have, let me choose a random one. Oh, okay, let's do this one. The box means mouth. So you do that one. This big stroke order. Can't open it. Okay. Okay. So say you have, it's mouth. This is mouth. So you go up like that, and then you make like this, and then over. You don't go, no, it's just because this piece is number 1, number 2 is here and here, and then number 3. So it looks like it's 4 pieces, but it's actually 3. Alright, let's try a different one will make more sense. Right, we'll do the one that is a flower. So it looks like this. Yeah, it came out. It looks like this. It says Hana, flower. Okay, so in order to do it, let's see if I can do this sideways. So Hana. So it'd be like okay, that's the Japanese for it. Alright, so the kanji, or this is the hiragana for it. Oh, there's a dent in my board. Okay, so what you would do is you would go like this. Number 1. Usually, okay, in Japanese and in Chinese, they always go this way first. I don't know why, it just is the way it is. Like they do, like you know when we do a T, we do the little swoop first, but in Chinese, Japanese, all that, they always do the cross first. So it's kind of weird, but yeah. So we go here, and then 1, 2. Oops. So we go here, then 1, 2. So it's supposed to look like flowers or something, so yeah. And then we go 4, 5, 6. See, we always do a cross first. 7. Rain is May. Okay. Alright. Here we go now. Okay, so let's get on to the Chinese part. So here you go. Rain is 1, 2, 3, and then you would go 4, all the way down, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, there's like rain. Yeah. So that's not too bad. But like if you were to do like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you were to do like that, it just is kind of out of order and it takes longer to do. So they kind of start from top to bottom. It just is a lot easier that way. Yeah. That's also why when learning, so see here, number 1, itchy. Oh, zoom in a little bit. Focus. There we go. You see how there's a dotted line here? So when they're doing, it's just so you know the placement of the character. So yeah. But yeah. They're very particular about that. Oh, let's try number 4. We could do number 4. That one's quite easy. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, that is why I do stroke order, just so it's a lot easier to accomplish. So yeah, yeah, that's my little spiel on kanji. I'm still working on it. I mean, it's not perfect. I know the numbers, but I still have 990 to go, so yeah. Alright, if you like this video, please give us a big like, hit that subscribe button. We have a free PDF in the section below, description below, for learning hiragana and katakana. You can practice with that. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Keep on studying.